What's good, my people? I'm back again with another video. Just before I get into this one, as always, I would like to request every single person watching to please like, comment, share, subscribe and all that good stuff. Let's get straight into this one. So something a bit different. I don't usually review Jordans if I buy them, which is hardly ever. It's just because no one really watches the videos. But yeah, so we've got a pair of Jordans. The box has got the elephant print, then we've got white with a blue Jumpman. I quite like the box, to be honest. It's quite different. I like it. So straight to the label, which says Air Jordan 3 Retro. The colorway is white and midnight navy, so they're just known as midnight navies. The size UK 9.5, centimeters 28.5, BR 42.5, Euro 44.5, US 10.5. Made in Vietnam, and the style code is CT8532-140. Let's get straight into this pair. So we've got the midnight navy 3s. I really did like this shoe, the colorway. I wanted a trainer or sneaker with a bit of navy, just to wear with like navy tracksuits and some jeans or whatever, just as a casual one. This is the bit where I'm not happy with. It's like the material, you see the toe box already. These have not been worn and it's creased. The quality, I'm not too happy with. It's very like creased up, which is quite annoying. And yeah, it's annoying, but we'll run through it anyway. So the bottom, we've got the Jordan sole, the normal 3 sole with the navy. It looks dusty as hell. I think honestly these have been worn once in a warehouse or something, because I paid close to £200 for these and the quality I'm not happy with, man. So yeah, we've got the grey basically on the bottom, then we've got the white midsole, and then we've got navy on the top part of the midsole. We've got that elephant print, which is not even good elephant print. Like, it looks quite lazy and quite cheap. More elephant print on the front. And then, you know, the leather. Honestly, look at this shoe, man. Creases on it already. Like, they haven't even been worn. And then even that, I hate creases. They're not going to stay fresh. It's one of the reasons I kind of stopped buying Jordans. Even the tongue, to me, is a bit low than before. You know, it's quite down. It doesn't really go up. Before, they would be a bit higher on the 3s, I believe. But yeah, I'm not really happy with this pair, man. Really not happy with this pair, because literally got crease on the toe box. Don't know if the camera will make that out, but you can see, you know, they look used or worn. Probably someone cheeky wore them already in the warehouse or something. But this is literally the reason I don't buy Jordans anymore, because it's close to £200, and look at that, mate. I'd rather buy, you know, some designer high ends or something instead of £200 pair of basically Nikes, man. But yeah, it is a nice shoe, but you know, the execution wasn't great. It's not been done the best. I'm not really happy with the quality and all that stuff, so they're therefore going back. But yeah, let me know what you think of these. I do like them, but I'm not happy with the quality and, you know, the quality checks, quality control, whatever you want to call it. So they're going back. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. Wait a few moments, you'll see an on foot video. They do look quite decent on foot. And take care, my people.